Hey, hi everybody. Today we're going to discuss why we are doing what we are doing. We do a lot of things in life. We study hard, we want a better job. A lot of things we are doing. The question is why we are doing what we are doing. So it's on a principle. The principle called the pain-pleasure principle. Most of the things we do in life is to either to avoid pain or to gain pleasure. If you see, like, we want to go for a vacation, why? I mean, it's pleasure, or you want a better job, you want to be happy. It's to avoid pain. So if you see, most of the things we do in life either to avoid pain or to gain pleasure. The key is if you can link this to things you want, and if you can associate pain to things which you don't want in life and pleasure to things which you want in life, then you can get whatever you want. The thing is, like, even though we are committed, we know that we want to do that, there is no reasons, no strong reason to achieve that particular thing. To say for an example, like, to avoid smoking, if you can associate pain with smoking, then pleasure. If your reference point is pain, then pleasure, then there is a strong reason to stop smoking than reading books on how to stop smoking. What you can do, like, you can visit people who are suffering from throat cancer and things like that, and see their x-rays and see their suffering and associate strong pain, strong link of pain to that. So next time when you take sick, and do a research and Google the impact of smoking on your health. And you should have strong reference points. When you have strong reference points, next time when you take a cigarette, this thing will be there in your mind, in your subconscious, and it will, you ask twice, should I do it or not? That's one way of breaking habit. Same with things you want in life. Associate pleasure, whatever you want. Just write down, strong, reasons why you want. 1, 2, 3, 4 things. Why I want this thing. So if you can associate pain and pleasure to whatever you want in life or whatever you don't want in life, then I'm sure that you're going to get that. So thank you so much for watching. This is Steve. Bye. Middle cut.